Tyler, the Creator's beats are known for those lush, dreamy chord progressions. We all know he's a student of the Neptunes and loves a good soul sample. But when you study the progressions he actually plays himself, you start to notice a pattern. There's one specific trick Tyler Creator uses in almost every beat he makes. But before we get to that, we need to cover the foundation. First, Tyler mastered the 2-5-1. This is the bedrock of jazz. He uses it constantly because it takes the guesswork out of where to go next. You're simply moving the chords up in fifths or down in fourths. He also loves switching between major and minor keys. If you want an easy trick to find a relative key, just go up a major sixth or down a minor third. In FL Studio, you can just set your scale to the new key, draw your chords, and then switch the scale back when you're done. Another signature Tyler move? Borrowed chords. If he's playing in a major key but wants a moment to feel a bit more moody, he'll swap a single chord. The Beatles did this constantly. A classic example is changing the 4 chord from major to minor. It immediately adds that bittersweet, nostalgic feel. Now, we're almost to the big secret, but we need to talk about extensions. Tyler's chords sound huge and complex, like major ninths or minor 11s, but they're simpler than they look. Once you count to an octave, which is 8, you just keep going. Instead of 2, that note is a 9. Instead of 4, that note is an 11. Adding these extensions is how you get that expensive, jazzy sound. Finally, the one trick Tyler uses over and over to create that floating feeling? Constant structure. To put it simply, he takes one chord shape, like a major 9, and just slides that exact shape up and down the keyboard. This blurs the lines of what key he's actually in, creating that signature dreamy, lost-in-space atmosphere. In the FL Studio piano roll, this is incredibly easy. Just highlight your chord, hold Shift, and drag the entire shape up or down. You can even do this with entire progressions to instantly change the mood.